Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hi viewers, how are you? I think you're all fine. I'm fine too, thanks. Okay, let's start. So viewers, now I will explain correct pronunciation versus wrong pronunciation. Once again, correct pronunciation versus wrong pronunciation. Okay, let's start. S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Wrong pronunciation. Station. Correct pronunciation. Station. Payment. P-A-Y-M-E-N-T. Wrong pronunciation. Payment. Correct pronunciation. Payment. L-A-D-Y. L-A-D-Y. Wrong pronunciation. Lady. Correct pronunciation. Lady. S-O-N. S-O-N. Wrong pronunciation. Son. Correct pronunciation. Son. E-N-Z-O-Y. E-N-Z-O-Y. Wrong pronunciation. Enjoy. Correct pronunciation. Enjoy. R-E-C-I-T-A-T-I-O-N. R-E-C-I-T-A-T-I-O-N. Wrong pronunciation. Recitation. Correct pronunciation. Recitation. P-E-O-P-L-E. P-E-O-P-L-E. Wrong pronunciation. People. Correct pronunciation. People. P-U-B-L-I-C. P-U-B-L-I-C. Wrong pronunciation. Public. Correct pronunciation. Public. C-I-R-C-L-E. C-I-R-C-L-E. Wrong pronunciation. Circle. Correct pronunciation. Circle. Thank you very much.